Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening two really cool cars, the Bone Shakers from the Hot Wheels 50th Race Team Series for 2018. We've got the Ultimate Chase Super Treasure Hunt and the regular Mainline. So let's get straight into it with the regular Mainline Bone Shaker. It's a pretty cool looking car, this one. It's got those 50th anniversary wheels on it, and I actually like them on this car. It looks pretty cool. The card artwork as well, it's really good. It's exactly like the car. So let's get it straight off the card. Oh, I've been looking forward to grabbing this one so much. I'm really looking forward to the whole series actually of this Hot Wheels 50th race team. Yeah, look at those wheels, really nice on this car. That skull up the front there, it's pretty cool. I like the orange base, so when you're looking at the car, you can see a little bit of orange detail. So it's really nice, and it's got that number 3 on the side there with the Hot Wheels and the 50th anniversary tampo. I really like this car. Yeah, it's a really cool one that I'm really glad they put it in their 50th anniversary race team series. All right, let's check out the detailed views of the Mainline Bone Shaker. Alright, and the one we've all been waiting for, the Super Treasure Hunt Ultimate Chase Bone Shaker for 2018. So this is pretty cool. This is the 16th Super Treasure Hunt for the year. The Ultimate Chase, supposedly a little bit harder to find. We should be seeing it in the L case for 2018. But yeah, it's a really cool car. But look at the artwork, yes. It's the same as the Mainline. It's got the black skull, but the car has actually got a chrome skull. So I'm a bit disappointed that it's a little bit different. But anyway, let's get it off the card and check out this Ultimate Chase Super Treasure Hunt. Yeah, it's in that Spectra Flame blue. It's really cool. It's got the red line on the real rider tires. It's got the tread like I really like. It's just a really cool car. You know, if this was the Mainline, it would be so awesome because everyone deserves to get this car. I really like it. Look at it, the detail on the interior in there. It's really cool, all that chrome work. I really like this one. Have you found it yet in the 2018 L case? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd really like to know how many people have found it. Like, is it common or not? Let me know what you think. But yeah, I'm really happy to have it. I'm happy to have both of them, to be honest. So let's check out the detailed views. All right, let's look at them together, compare them side by side. We've got that black skull and the chrome skull, the Spectra Flame blue and the regular blue. Let me know which one you like the best. Definitely for me, it is the Ultimate Chase Super Treasure Hunt. All right, everyone, big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks, everyone.